Native Cash Entertainment.
Thinking big like the boss, I'm the boss man. So watch where you stand, we got bigger plans. Thinking big, standing tall, got me standing here. 10 steel toes plated in the ground, feeling like I'm the #1 here. So lost in this atmosphere, I've always been that guy to face my fears. Never needed to shed any tears, just to be here on the frontier. I've always pictured myself being right here, standing up here for my whole native race. I've always taken first place, holding up high for my haters, standing for my ground. You better like the way that sounds. We gonna be the biggest native fleet that you ever gonna see. I live for big things, come on natives, think big. I know everybody has that time to shine and grind in their lives. I put that on my life, I'm always gonna live my life to the fucking fullest, cause you only get to live once. Thinking big like the boss, I'm the boss man. So watch where you stand, we got big plans. So make it happen, we doing it by rapping. Do the same, spray your game, screw the fame. I'm always gonna be the same, we always got to be the same. I'm looking for big things, we never need to change. Haters be looking like loose change, if you know what I'm saying. I'm just like a dog about to break his change, cause I'm hungry for big things. I never needed any type of slang, I'm all about my last name. I'm so glued to the game, I made it this way. Most things that come this way, this is what I really say. So I say a lot of true things, that's how I maintain to be the same in the membrane. So I'm all about boxing beats with my flows. Now you know I live for my dreams, I made it my theme. Now you know what I mean. I'll fight for another day just to see it shine upon every Native American every single day. Living life like it's the last day we're done playing games, so do your own thing. Thinking big like the boss, I'm the boss man. So watch where you stand, we got bigger plans.